Hello friends, welcome to Extreme channel. In my previous video, you have seen angle sum property in a triangle. In this video, we are going to see angle sum property again, but this is under quadrilaterals. So I'm going to solve this in the same manner how we have done for the triangle. I'm going to take it as a theorem and then prove that angle sum property, that is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. We are going to prove this. So can you see the difference? In triangles, angle sum property is the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here it is double of it. Is there any kind of hint you are getting? Yes, you're absolutely right. We are going to take the help of angle sum property of a triangle and then prove this angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So let's begin this one. For this, to prove this theorem, what is given? There is a quadrilateral ABCD. I've taken a quadrilateral which is in the form of a trapezoid or a trapezium. Okay, I'm taking help of that. And what is RTP? Required to prove. What we need to prove is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is 360 degrees. So what we are going to prove is angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D gives us 360 degrees. This is what we are going to prove under angle sum property of a quadrilateral. For this, what is the construction we have to do? Draw a diagonal joining the opposite vertices. The diagonal itself forms when we join the opposite vertices. Okay, so here there is a possibility of two diagonals. One is AD and the other one is BC. But here I am taking BC as the diagonal. So I am doing the construction here. I have joined BC. Here I am going with freehand figures. But actually when we do the construction part and all, we have to use scale and pencil. I hope you will do that. So after doing the construction part, what we are going to do? We have to prove. To do the proof, can you observe? After drawing the diagonal, we got the quadrilateral have been divided into two triangles. One is triangle ABC. The other one is the triangle BCD. Okay, and you can observe angle C has been divided into two parts. So I name it as angle 1 and angle 2. And angle B also divided into two parts. I'll take it as angle 3 and angle 4. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, we are going to take the help of sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We are going to take help of that and prove that angle sum property of the quadrilateral. So what are we going to do for this? So here what I am doing is I am folding. I'll make a partition here. Okay, so here I consider triangle, ABC. Here I'll consider triangle BCD. So as we know, here we follow the angle sum property of triangle and I write here angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 3 gives us 180 degrees. So I'm writing it here. Angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 3 gives us 180 degrees. This is our equation 1. And from BCD I'll write angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle D. Angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees. This is what I'm taking as equation 2. These both I have taken it from angle sum property of triangle. Now what I'm going to do? Add equation 1 and equation 2. So if I add equation 1 and 2, what do I get? Angle A plus angle 1 plus angle 3. See, while adding, you have to add LHS and LHS together, RHS and RHS together. Plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle D is equals to 180 degrees plus 180 degrees. And now I'm trying to regroup. I'll write angle A as it is plus angle 1 and angle 2. I'm writing them together. I'm grouping them plus angle 3 plus angle 4. I'm grouping them together plus angle D gives us 180 plus 180 gives us 360 degrees. Now angle 1 and angle 2 gives us what? Angle C totally. Angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 3 and angle 4 are giving us what? Angle B. So from figure I am going to substitute that. Angle A plus angle C plus angle B plus angle D is equals to 360 degrees, which is nothing but angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D gives us 360 degrees, which is nothing but are required to prove. So we have proved that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So we can happily write hence proved. If this video is helpful to you, please like and share this among your friends and subscribe to Extreme channel. Thank you.